It's now doing the light tracking. The light tracking is not going to do anything until it's above 180, right? So 128 is ignoring that. But I should be able to also simulate the sonar, I think. I don't know. So I'm not worried about it. So the last thing I'm going to do is my touch tracker. So my buttons is what I'm going to call my touch tracker. And now I'm going to come in here and I'm going to call this function. Okay, so what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to show how robots use sensing in order to react to things. Make sure you are liking and sharing the live and that you are engaging and interacting. Please and thank you. Thank you and please. And I think I'm going to probably end up putting this back on. I just took it off and then I just changed my mind. What I don't know is whether this is charged. So this is actually a power bank. It's actually a pretty good charge. So I think I'm going to put that back on. And what'll happen is when I do my demo, I won't have to connect it to the computer anymore. So I think I'm going to put this up on the bottom down here. And that will be used for when I'm demonstrating. So this is my robot. And I'm going to reattach this here. Okay. So then now what I can do is use that to power the robots. Right now, I don't have the sonar or the motors attached, so you're not going to see the robot move. You're going to have to come back and visit another day if you want to see that. That's not happening tonight, because I won't be up much longer because I do have work tomorrow. But right now, I'm just kidding. Thank you, Juice. Thank you, Juice. Thank you, Juice, for the love. Make sure you're doing my daily heart meets, liking and sharing the live. I'm getting content ready for the Educator Challenge, for the STEM Top Challenge, for the 1 billion followers challenge. I've decided to use my lowest level robot for that, which is the one I use when I'm teaching kids about robotics. I could do Arduino, Raspberry Pi, some other things, but I think to keep this as straightforward and simple as possible, this would be the easiest. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm reattaching this power bank because I changed my mind. I wasn't going to use it at first, but then I thought about if I'm going to make content where I don't have to keep it plugged into the computer, this makes the most sense. That's why I'm putting it back. Make sure you're doing my daily heart needs, liking the live, sharing. Okay, it's all STEM content, STEM Sunday, robot circuits and coding, books and bots, as they say on my page. All right. Okay. All right. So the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do buttons. So inputs. The question is, there's 2 buttons here. So there's button A, button B. So I think what I want to do is I want 3 options. If I press button A, I want something to happen. If I press button B, I want something to happen. If I press button C, I want something to happen. So once again, here are going to be all the options. And I'm going to be doing this to show basic sensing on a robot. This is probably going to be 3 different videos. I may come up with more later, but this is a good beginning. Remember, this contest ends on the 21st. So I have to have all this done by then.